Never touch the vial body directly to avoid contamination. We highly recommend wearing gloves. Make sure to place the meter on a flat surface. Never operate the meter while holding it on hand. To ensure the stability of the light source, we recommend to long press measure button to warm up the instrument before use, with no vial inside. During the warm-up, the measurement values are meaningless. Make sure the arrow on the vial cap aligns with the one on the vial holder. Close the lid and wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Press Cal button to enter calibration mode. There are 5 calibration points: 0, 20, 100, 400, and 800 NTU. OK means this point of calibration is finished. You can choose 2-point or multi-point calibration based on the estimated range of your sample solution. Just make sure the estimated range of your sample solution is covered by the calibration points. Example 1. Estimated range of sample solution is 0 to 5 NTU. And you just need to calibrate 0 and 20 NTU. Example 2. Estimated range of sample solution is 0 to 30 NTU. You need to calibrate 0, 20, and 100 NTU. Example 3. Estimated range of sample solution is 300 to 500 NTU. You need to calibrate 100, 400, and 800 NTU. Once the calibration is finished, you can retest the calibration standard to verify the calibration accuracy. If one point's error is large, you can recalibrate that point to improve. For the accuracy after calibration, refer to the following table. If the calibration solutions haven't been used for a long time, we recommend slowly turn over the vial several times to make it evenly distributed. Never quickly shake the vial to prevent air bubbles from forming inside. Use number 1 or number 2 sample vial for low turbidity measurement. If the sample turbidity is greater than 2 NTU, use number 3 to number 6 sample vial for the measurement. Rinse the sample vial with your sample solution for 3 times. Add in your sample to 4/5 of the vial. Then close on the vial cap. Clean the sample vial with Kim wipe or clean tissue to ensure it's dry, clean, and free of stains. Gently place the sample vial into the sample vial holder. Pay attention to align the arrows. Close the lid and wait for 2 minutes before start measuring.